First, gather your ingredients. You'll need between 10 to 12 fresh jalapeños, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 12 slices of bacon, each cut in half. For a bit of extra flair, consider some chopped green onions for garnish. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating up, prepare your jalapeños. Cut each one in half lengthwise and carefully remove the seeds and membranes. A word to the wise: consider using gloves to avoid getting the spicy oils on your hands. Next, it's time to make the filling. In a bowl, combine the softened cream cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, and garlic powder. Stir until you have a smooth mixture. Once that's done, spoon the cheese mixture into each jalapeño half. But we're not quite finished yet. Wrap each stuffed jalapeño with half a slice of bacon. If needed, secure the bacon with a toothpick to ensure it stays in place. Once your jalapeños are all wrapped up and ready to go, place them on a baking sheet and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know they're done when the bacon is crispy and the filling is bubbly. Once they're cooked, let them cool slightly before enjoying. If you're feeling fancy, garnish with chopped green onions for a pop of color and added flavor. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.